Welcome to OMG It's African Style, your go-to channel for exploring the vibrant world of African culture.
It is with great pleasure and excitement that I welcome you to join me in exploring the extraordinary journey of a true luminary in the world of Ghanaian entertainment and fashion lifestyle, the incomparable Nana Ama McBrown. In the ever-evolving tapestry of the arts, Nana Ama stands as a beacon of talent, resilience, and cultural pride, captivating audiences with her versatile performances and impeccable fashion sense. As we embark on this exploration, we will unravel the chapters of her life, from the bustling streets of Kumasi to the glittering lights of the silver screen. Nana Ama McBrown's story is not just one of personal triumph, but also a testament to the transformative power of talent, resilience, and an unyielding connection to one's roots. From her early forays into acting to becoming a cherished figure on television screens across the nation, Nana Ama has not only entertained but also inspired. Her charisma, both on and off the screen, has earned her a special place in the hearts of many, transcending the boundaries of traditional celebrity status. Today, we delve not only into her cinematic achievements but also into the nuances of her fashion choices, a tapestry woven with threads of tradition and modernity. Nana Ama McBrown's style is a celebration of culture, a fusion of elegance and contemporary flair that has set her apart as a trendsetter in the global arena of fashion. However, Nana Ama McBrown's influence goes beyond the entertainment industry. As a cultural ambassador, she takes pride in promoting the rich heritage of Ghana through her fashion choices, each outfit telling a story of tradition, pride, and global relevance. Her fashion sense, a harmonious blend of traditional elegance and modern chic, not only captures attention but also sparks conversations about the global impact of African fashion. Nana Ama McBrown often graces cultural events and public appearances draped in traditional Ghanaian attire. From intricately designed kente cloth to resplendent Ankara prints, she effortlessly carries the rich heritage of Ghana with grace and poise. Each outfit tells a story, celebrating the diversity and beauty of African fashion. Beyond tradition, Nana Ama McBrown embraces modern fashion trends with flair. Her red carpet appearances and fashion-forward ensembles reveal a keen eye for current styles, incorporating sleek silhouettes, bold patterns, and contemporary designs. Whether she's in a sophisticated evening gown or a stylish jumpsuit, her fashion choices exude confidence and sophistication. What sets Nana Ama McBrown apart is her meticulous attention to detail. Her outfits are often accessorized with statement pieces, be it bold earrings, intricate headpieces, or stylish footwear. These details elevate her looks, adding a touch of individuality and glamour. Even in her casual moments, Nana Ama McBrown effortlessly blends comfort with style. From casual streetwear to laid-back yet chic ensembles, she showcases versatility that resonates with fans and admirers. As a television presenter, Nana Ama McBrown has hosted and appeared on various television programs. She has hosted her own talk show, McBrown's Kitchen, where she engages with celebrities and cooks with them. Her lively personality and ability to connect with her audience have made her a favorite on Ghanaian television. Nana Ama McBrown is also known for her philanthropic efforts. She has been involved in several charitable activities, demonstrating her commitment to giving back to the community. Her fashion statement typically includes a mix of traditional Ghanaian attire and modern, chic outfits. At the same time, she is also seen rocking contemporary fashion trends, including stylish dresses, jumpsuits, and accessories. Her fashion choices, a kaleidoscope of traditional regality and contemporary chic, not only showcase her personal style but also elevate her to a symbol of pride for Ghanaian heritage. With each outfit, she becomes a living canvas, illustrating the fusion of tradition and modernity that defines the global impact of African fashion. As we embark on a journey through the chapters of Nana Ama McBrown's life, it becomes evident that she is more than an icon. She is a catalyst for change, a trendsetter, and an inspiration to aspiring talents navigating the intricate landscape of the Ghanaian entertainment industry. In her accomplishments, Nana Ama McBrown emerges not just as a star but as a trailblazing force leaving an indelible mark on the cultural canvas of Ghana.
Subscribe now, hit that notification bell, and be part of our community as we embark on an exciting journey together. Let's celebrate the magic of African style. Subscribe now, comment, like, and share to the world.